morning, Saturday morning, heading to school to study because literally cannot do anything at home.
Guys, if you give me the chance to lie in bed all day, I literally can. Because yesterday I laid in bed for approximately 10 hours. Other people say social media is their biggest distraction. I think the bed is for me. Like, the bed is very addicting. Does anybody else get that?
Waiting for Chiyu. She's late again. She's the late queen. Can you see her? Wait until she appears. She's here. The red. There she is. Late queen.
Guys, do you see the size of that bag on me? Like, the bag is like this size. I'd be breaking my back every day. Like, I feel like I've gotten shorter because of the weight of my bag.
So pretty. 空气好好. We've decided to come to Stephen's Green for lunch. Say hi. Anyways, surprisingly, we have the same lunch. Like, both of our mothers made taiganfan. How do you say that in English? Well, it's a traditional Fujian dish, taibong. I hope everybody's exams are going well, and well done to you if you finished them already. Remember to take frequent breaks and take care of yourself. Like this? Hi, say cheese. Oh my god, the swan is eating itself. Hello. Oh, it's so cute. We're in Stephen's Green. We're lost in Stephen's Green. Oh my god, I remember when I was small, I was trying to get into those baby swings and I got stuck and I couldn't get out. Oh my god. I got home and dived straight into some agricultural science study. I finished this final yesterday and I'm so happy. One of the questions I practiced here was actually on the exam. Lucky me. Made myself some iced coffee and it's time to start studying for the day. Firstly, I'm trying this cup noodle. I got this in Super Value and it's actually like a Chinese brand. I've never tried it before, so I'm very excited. I've got all the flavorings inside and it's time to let it cook itself. Haven't had cup noodles in ages. Excited to see how this tastes. It's like melting in my mouth. After finishing the scrumptious noodles, I did some Chinese essay writing. I want to ask, why is Chinese so difficult? Like, I'm a native and I find Chinese difficult. It's like, I'd practice this word for one day and then I forget how to write it the next. How do foreigners learn Chinese? I'm so impressed. Really don't want to study in this type of weather. Like, it's just perfect to go outside and just lie on grass. Basically, like, anything other else than studying is so tempting. But one last push and we'll finish final season and then we can start do whatever we want. Anyways, going back to this essay. Hello, why is this so large? Like, I don't think it's strawberry season now, right? When is strawberry season? I don't know, but it's huge. Enjoying it. Suddenly started lashing out of nowhere. Yeah, this is typical Ireland. Anyways, to start some maths, differentiation. Let's go. I have been defeated by maths. I can never get maths.
It's so difficult, like too complicated for my tiny brain. Anyways, gonna make lunch and then come back to revise some music. Guys, if you're wondering why I'm at the Guzheng, is because I am gonna play the melody I wrote. Here it is. It's gonna be accounted for a partial of music final grade, so might as well play it and see if it sounds good or not. Do mi so fa mi re mi fa mi so la fa so what is it? So oh, this is not going very well. Guys, if it's not strawberry season, it's definitely oranges season. Like, they're so sweet and they're so juicy. Like, there's so much juice in it. Let me try to cut this with one hand. Yeah, it's not working. Time to start evening study session. God, I sound so weird. Is that orange? Sorry. It's another lovely week. I am spending my lovely time revising some English, some exams starting in 3 days. Jesus, oh my god, it's freaking out. And I have a question A for English tomorrow. And I have Irish to follow. I need to practice Irish. Totally forgot about that. I'll revise some English and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Planning to wake up at 5:30, but probably won't happen. Francine, oh my god.
Side eye.
Where do I put it?
Your tub is kind of big.
Okay.
Cool.
Where do I do it?
You can do it wherever you want.
Do here then. No.
Oh,
So ugly.